Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here.
Yes,
Thank you.
glad to have you as always. This week's question, Gary, is should I talk to the other driver's insurance company?
Once again, it's on the list of heavily asked questions. And this one comes up all the time, really.
Yeah,
and so it's a good one. So generally, the answer is for factual things, yes. All right.
Okay.
So here's what I tell clients. If the insurance company for the at-fault party calls you, take the call.
Okay.
You don't have to get into some elaborate discussion about everything, but get their contact information. They're going to have a claim number. If it's an automobile kind of wreck, tell them where the car is so they can go see it, or where the truck is, because they need to start that process. You want them to have somebody come out and start looking at the damage and get that started first. You've got really two cases. I don't know if we've talked about this very much, but you have a property damage case for your vehicle, and you have an injury case for you, and they are separate. Even if you own the car, and they have two different statute of limitations. You've got 4 years to file a property damage case. You don't wait that long, but you've got 2 years to file a personal injury generally, like I'll cautioned last time. There's all kinds of exceptions to the rules. But talk to them about where it is so that process can get done. Now, the line gets drawn when you start getting into specifics about things. If they want a recorded statement, I generally say no. There's no benefit to you. The police report is usually there to take care of all that, and you're not going to out-argue an insurance adjuster, I promise you. They've already decided what they want to believe. So they're just committing you to something that you really haven't thought through very well. They catch you off guard. You're doing 6 other things. You're worried about how you're going to get to work or get your family going. So just don't do it. Just say, look, I don't feel good right now. This is not a good time for me to talk. I don't want to give a recorded statement right now. Go see the vehicle. I'll get back in touch with you.
There you go.
And so we don't talk about specifics like that. We do talk about where the car is. You know, they have an agenda on the call. And so just be cautious.
And
What I tell them is, and this is truth,
Yeah.
I said, look, if you'll let me take a statement from your insured, the other guy, I'll let you take a statement from my client.
Yeah.
And guess what? They never allow it. Never.
There you go. That's the
So
answer.
that's all you need to know. Right?
Okay, so do the same rules apply when I'm talking to my own insurance company?
Well, you have different duties there. We probably ought to take that up on another show. Yes, you need to talk to them. You have a duty to cooperate. Go to our website. We've got blogs on most all these topics.
Thanks, Gary. See you on the next Legal Break.